All right, here we are, the first display opening of Flesh and Blood. Welcome to Rathe. And this is the amazing alpha print. And I've been really looking for to start going in this game. And since it's not available in Sweden at all right now, I think it's coming like later this year. I've been looking around and I got this one as part of the collection from Australia, some of the starter decks from US, and yeah, so it's a quite international game right now, and I will open this one right now and get the collection going. And I'm really interested here, what can I get, because this is like, the price has gone up a lot, but I have no ways, or I have ways, but now they're out of print, but just to get them to Sweden is kind of hard. So I really want to have them for myself and like play with my friends and like build some decks, all that. And of course, if I'm gonna pull a really nice card, I of course might sell it, because hey, I mean, one card in my small meta of myself is not gonna be valuable enough to keep it if I get a Fabled. But who knows, if I don't get a Fabled, probably not. So, the first pack. Let's see what Mrs. Dorinthia will give us. And there you go. We get a harmonized Kodashi as our token, as the end. So, in the first one, generics first, rares, and then the class specific cards. So Nimblism red, Nimblism blue, Demolition Crew red, Bargain Brownhide yellow, and Hope's Merchant hood. That's nice. I mean, it's always nice to shuffle cards back in. And then first rare, which is the rare slot, which is Flick Flack red. And next one is going to be like rare or better, and then the third is going to be a foil of a card type. Here we go, a special or a super. Boneheaded Barrier. Roll a six-sided die, prevent X damage that will be dealt to your hero this turn where X is number rolled. So that's a brute instant. And our first foil is Delibitate. Okay, and then we have our Brute, Wrecking Romp, Stonewall Confidence, Awakening Bellow, Bucketing Blow, Nature Paths Pilgrimage, Leg Tap, Nature Paths again, and a Dorinthia Kodashi token. So let's see here, commons, something else, and foil. Let's see if we can get maybe, let's do this instead. So you can actually see the special ones. One more, of course, let's go for Mr. Ninja. And this is really interesting because I have some boosters here, but they're gonna be like a final amount for me to play the game with, basically, and like make decks that I can play against each others with my friends. So it becomes a small meta in itself. Regurgitating Slug, generic attack, Wounded Bull, Flock of the Featherwalkers, like this card, Nimble Strike, Refraction Bolters, also nice for the warrior. Let's go for there. And then we have Drone of Brutality, nice, as our rare, and a Fluster Fist, so yellow. And another one, plus blue this time. So a yellow and a blue Delibitate. I really like the foils. I mean, the looks as foil should look. I like that. Wrecking Romp, Delibitate, Awakening Bellow, Open the Center, Driving Belt, Surging Strike, Sharpened Steel, and Raynar and Kodashis. So we go from there. And maybe we'll open 4 boosters, something like that, in this video, and then we will continue moving along through all these products. which is going to be really interesting to see what I end up with. Wounded Bull, Wounding Blow, Invigorating Slog, Demolition Crew, another Reflection Bolters, Snatch as the first rare. I mean, it's good. And then we have Warriors Valors. The next attack this turn gains +1. If it hits, then it can go again. Go again. So that's a nice one for the Warrior. And then we have Sink Below. This is a nice card. I like the foil on this one. I'm not sure really which color is the best, yellow or blue or red. But I mean, it's always nice with this defense and then change your hand a bit. So it's still only commons in the foil slot. Pack Hunt, Buckling Blow, Wreck Rump, Emerging Power, Sweating Strike, Iron Song Response, Sharpened Steel, and Dorinthia and Raynor. I will maybe do some seal with the products just to test that format out. But mainly I'm gonna start with Blitz decks just to get things going before going into the constructed version. Just to get a feel for how the deck work and how they really are meant to be played, and then expand into like, well, 3 of each card. Nimbalism Blue, Unmovable, Demolition Crew, Sink Below, Goliath Gauntlet, and then another Flick Flag for rare in the Ninja Defense part, a Disable Red, that's the rare, and then we got a Wounded Bull common foil. So we have some rares, one special. Wounded Bull, Wrecking Rump, Buckling Blow, Primeval Bellow, Open the Center, Biting Blade, Rising Knee Trust, Sharpened Steel, and Harmonized Kodachis with Raynor. So Raynors and Dorinthias is our tokens for this one. Just checking out if you can get all heroes within our display, as you probably can. Let's see, so we have common pile for class, common pile for generic, our rares, and our special and foils. Okay, keep on going. This is 4. Let's see if we can see. We have 24 boosters, so maybe 6 is a good number. 1, 2, 3. So one more after this. That's gonna be a good number. Generic Raging Onslaught, Grappling Slog, Burning Brownhide, Sink Below again, Iron Rot Helm, and the first rare is Savage Feast. Yellow, additional cost to play Savage Feast, discard a random card. If the random card is 6 or more, draw a card, which is basically good in the Brute. Then we have another Brute action, which is Breakneck Battery. Additional cost to play Breakneck Battery, discard a random card. If the discarded card has 6 or more, attack, Breakneck Battery gets going again. Nice. And our first foil rare is a foil Flick Flag. So that's a nice card. Yep. And then we have Catholic Crutch, Savage Swing, Emerging Power, Savage Swing, Whelming, Gust Wave, Sharpened Steel, Head Jab, and Cracked Bottle. Nice. And it's gonna be nice to open some Crucible of War later, and also Hurricane Rising, the Crucible of Wars, just to see the more craziness that's going on with the foils and the rares and all those like higher power boosters with less cards. But it's gonna be interesting to see. So this is the 6th booster, which is gonna be like the end of this video, and then we'll continue down the rabbit hole as it goes. Wounded Blow, Wounded Bull, Sluggism Blue, Raise Reflexes, really nice card. As it, like the illustration is amazing. Iron Rot Gauntlet, and nice. Time Snap Potions, my first potion. Destroy Time Snap, gain 2 action points. I mean, this is good in most decks, I think. Another Flick Flag, so there's another Flick Flags in this one. Flick Flag Yellow, and a common Iron Song Response foil. Deviate, Smash Instinct, Buckling Blow, Wreck Rump, Head Jab, Nature Path's Pilgrimage, Surging Strike, and Kadachu and a Bravo. So nice. I think this is a nice start of the booster openings. A lot of, I would say, ninja cards, like multiple flick flags, and one super of 6 packs. And then we have some nice foils. Looking forward to see what the rest of the box will provide. Until next time, see you.